In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Alibaba Support. The most reliable way to get help from Alibaba is through their help center, where you can submit a ticket or start an online service chat. Start by going to alibaba.com and logging into your account. Being logged in ensures support can see your profile, orders, and any relevant history, which speeds up the resolution. If you use more than one account, confirm you're on the one tied to the issue you're reporting. Once you're logged in, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Help Center. On mobile, you may need to open the menu first, then find Help Center. Inside the Help Center, select Contact Us or Customer Service. Both options take you to the support area, where Alibaba provides guided pathways based on the type of problem you're facing. Choose the category that best matches your issue, such as account, orders, payments, or disputes. Picking the closest match helps route your request to the right team. Before moving on, have key details ready. For orders, note the order number, the supplier's store name, relevant dates, and what you expected versus what happened. For account or payment concerns, reference any error messages or transaction IDs. Share only what's necessary and avoid sensitive, personal information. Next, decide whether to submit a ticket or use online service. A ticket is asynchronous, perfect if you're not available for a live chat or if chat isn't currently staffed. Online service is typically a real-time chat, useful for quick back and forth. If the chat option doesn't appear, submitting a ticket is the best fallback and still ensures your request is logged. When filling out the form, write a clear subject line and a concise description. Explain the context, what you've already tried, and what resolution you're seeking. Attach screenshots if they help clarify the issue. Make sure images are readable and focused on the relevant sections, and crop or blur any private details before uploading. The clearer your submission, the fewer follow-up questions you'll get, and the faster the team can assist. Submit your request and keep an eye on your email and your Alibaba message center for updates. If you don't see a response after a reasonable time, check your spam or junk folder. Reply within the same thread so the history stays together, and keep all communication on the platform for a complete record. That's it. By using the Help Center, choosing the right category, and submitting a well-documented ticket or starting online service, you're using Alibaba's most reliable path to support.